Dating other people while you're manifesting your ex back. To do or not to do? That is the question. Well, today that's what we're going to talk about. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So I am a law of attraction coach, and today we're talking about the subject dating other people while you're manifesting a specific person. And I'm going to share my answer on the subject. So if you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon below. I do put out new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, each one of them designed to help you create something wonderful in your life. Okay, so let's get to this. Dating other people while manifesting a specific person. So I suppose a lot of you guys know what my answer is going to be on this. And my answer is, are you ready for it? It depends on how you feel about the subject, okay? Because at the end of the day, everybody is you pushed out, and you create the beliefs that you create within, okay? So let me tell you a story. Actually, I've got two stories. First example is years ago, I was chatting with one of my girlfriends, and she was looking to manifest to get her ex back, right? And she said to me, she's like, you know what? Every time I go out and start dating other people, he always comes running back to me. And I was like, cool. And sure enough, she did that. She went out dating other guys, and all of a sudden, as her ex came running back, they ended up getting back together, and they lived happily ever after. So that totally worked for her. She had no problems with it. In fact, she created that's how it always shows up in her life. So that's what she went and did. No big deal. Didn't even think twice about it. Totally worked. Now, I've met other people that say, well, you know what? If I date other people when I'm looking to manifest a specific person back, I'll feel guilty, and I'll feel like I'm doing something wrong, and I feel like I'm not putting the energy into it. Okay, well then great. If that's your story, then that's your story. You create within that belief, because we really create the belief system that we create within, okay? And everybody is us pushed out. So if we think it matters, then it's going to matter. If we don't think it matters, then it's not going to matter, because we are the only ones with the ability to think and have free will in our reality. And it'll be exactly how we say it's going to be. Okay? And we have that power. We have all of that power. So my answer on about dating when you're manifesting a specific person, whether it be an ex or someone new, the question is how do you feel about it? Do you feel like it's going to take away from your focus and attention of manifesting? Or do you have the belief that, yeah, if you're dating other people, then that person's going to come running back? It all depends on how you feel about it, because you create your reality, and you create how you create within your reality as well. So yeah, that's my view on it, That is 100% my view. In fact, you know what? When I've manifested my special people into my life, I've actually done it while dating other people. And, and I was fine with that. And my belief my personal belief is I can date whoever I want until I choose that I'm seriously committing to somebody. And whether, and so I manifest someone into my life, and there's a period of time where I'm not sure if I'm going to take it to the next level and make a commitment. But as soon as I do make that choice, then I remove all the people except for the one that I'm working on making the commitment with. So it's all dependent on what you actually believe. And you know what? Nobody can judge you. You're the only person that can judge you and your beliefs. So whatever you believe, be comfortable in it, accept it, own it, because guess what? It's your belief, and you're the only one that has to be comfortable with it. Nobody else has the right to judge any of your beliefs whatsoever. You're the only one that can judge them, because everyone is you pushed out. So if you think someone's going to judge them, then they are going to judge them because you're judging them, right? At any rate, that's my take on it, right? My take is, do what makes you happy, and work within your belief system, and never apologize for it. Anyways, that's my video for today. Definitely thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.